Put cinnamon in the dish soap. This combination even surprised me. Prepare a pot and pour half a liter of water into it. Then take 2 cinnamon sticks and drop them in. Place the pot on the stove and simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the cinnamon to release its aroma and properties. Now, pour the contents into a bowl and remove the cinnamon sticks. Next, add the dish soap, which effectively removes grease and dirt, leaving surfaces clean. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which helps dissolve the grime and boosts the mixture's effectiveness. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients combine. Prepare a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour the solution into it. Cap it, and you've got a homemade spray that will solve a specific problem in the summer. Spray it on the kitchen countertop, cabinets, bathroom tiles, or even outdoor furniture. Finish by wiping everything down with a microfiber cloth, which leaves no streaks and perfectly completes the job. With this mixture, you'll not only clean surfaces thoroughly, but also make these areas free of insects or bugs. The cinnamon scent is unpleasant for many insects, creating a natural scent barrier that bugs are reluctant to cross. If you do this, moths, ants, and cockroaches will flee from your home. You'll never have bugs in your kitchen again. If you spot pantry moths in your kitchen, act immediately. These insects can infest anywhere that's dry and has plenty of food. Grab a bowl and some ground coffee. 3 tablespoons will be perfect. Coffee gives off a strong scent that repels insects, discouraging them from settling in cupboards or pantries. Take a few bay leaves and crush them into smaller pieces. Bay leaves also work as a natural repellent due to their strong essential oils, which insects avoid. Add a tablespoon of ground pepper as well. Pepper contains piperine, which irritates insects. It not only repels bugs, but also disrupts their communication and navigation abilities. Wrap everything in a small packet and poke holes in it. Place it in different areas. Ants, flies, moths, and aphids avoid areas where they smell these spices. Putting them where insects appear helps protect your food from pests. Spray your windows with this. No more flies inside. This is hands down the best trick for keeping flies away. I mix just 2 ingredients with water and spray it around my window and door frames. This natural repellent keeps flies from sneaking into your home. And it works on mosquitoes and ticks too. You only need 3 simple ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. No need to buy expensive chemical sprays anymore. This DIY solution takes just a minute to make, and it actually works. Grab a pitcher and a spray bottle. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of water, then add 200 milliliters of vinegar. White or apple cider vinegar both work great. Stir it well. Now take your essential oil. Add about 40 drops. Peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil all do the job. Stir again. Pour the mix into your spray bottle. Spray it around your window frames, door frames, and if you have a patio door, spray that too. For even better protection, lightly mist your curtains. Thanks to this spray, you can enjoy a bug-free home all spring and summer. No more buzzing in your ears. It kills all pests in 5 seconds. You will need a jug or another container. Pour a liter of water into it. Take regular flour from the kitchen cabinet and add 1 tablespoon to the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly so that the flour dissolves and doesn't form lumps. Next, using a funnel, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Apply the spray after sunset. Use it regularly on flowers. This will help control pests and protect the plants from their damage. You can use it on succulents, flowering plants, or regular houseplants. It combats various pests, such as aphids or spider mites. When mixed with water and dish soap, the flour creates a sticky layer that settles on insects, making it difficult for them to move and breathe. This method works naturally and safely, minimizing the risk of plant damage and reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Put a bay leaf on the window. Your problem will disappear instantly. Bay leaves aren't just a popular spice that adds flavor and aroma to many dishes. While we mostly associate them with cooking, they also have other, lesser-known uses. It turns out they can effectively help with a very common problem in your home. Spring has arrived, the days are getting warmer, and we're opening windows more often to let in fresh air. Place bay leaves along window frames or on the windowsill. You can adjust the number of leaves depending on how strong you want the scent to be. This method keeps flies away from your home. These insects can't stand the strong smell of bay leaves. It irritates them. It's a simple, effective, and natural way to get rid of flies without using chemical insecticides. Pour oil over coffee. A friend shared this recipe with me, and the results are truly surprising. Take a large container and add 3 teaspoons of ground coffee. It has amazing properties you probably didn't know about. Pour in 500 milliliters of water and mix well. Pour the mixture into a deep plate. Now, pour a thin layer of oil over the surface so that it floats above the coffee mixture. Take a regular bottle cap. You probably didn't know it has another use. Use a soldering iron to make a hole in the center of the cap. Quick and easy. Take a piece of string and make a loop in the middle. Thread one end of the string through the hole in the cap. Then place the cap in the center of the deep dish. Finally, light the other end of the string. Done. Your homemade lantern will repel mosquitoes and make summer evenings much more pleasant. Try this trick and enjoy peaceful nights. Hang a bottle like this on each tree in your garden. Take a larger container and pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, which you probably already have at home. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and a few drops of clove oil. Mix thoroughly and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the liquid using gauze. Next, take a smaller plastic bottle. Using a funnel, pour the mixture into the bottle. Take aluminum foil, tear it into smaller pieces, and crumple them into small balls. Drop them into the bottle and close it. Use a soldering iron to make small holes in the bottle, allowing the scent to escape. Prepare a piece of string and tie it to the bottle. Now just tie it to the tree. This is a quick and effective way to repel insects and pests in the garden safely. Natural ingredients like vinegar, cinnamon, and clove oil make it an eco-friendly alternative to chemical solutions. My grandpa used to tie cloth strips around every tree in his garden, and now I do the same. Let me show you how and why. All you need is an old, torn rag. Cut it into thin strips. Then prepare some cinnamon bark. Its strong scent keeps ants away. Add a handful of cloves, which interfere with ants' sense of direction. Grind the cloves into a fine powder and pour it into a container. Next, add hot water and mix well. Then add a tablespoon of powdered garlic and finish off with some mint tea. Stir everything thoroughly and let it sit for a few hours. Once it's ready, soak the cloth strips in the solution, making sure they're well saturated. Then wring them out gently and tie them around your trees. You've just made a natural, effective ant repellent. The intense scents of cinnamon, cloves, garlic, and mint will keep ants at bay, and the soaked cloth will act as a long-lasting barrier. The ants will stay away, and your tree will be safe from their attacks.